Right, this is a song called The Doric Men. I hail frae northeast Scotland, far we speak a dialect. It isn't proper English, it's the Doric work instead. We haven't got boys and girls, but me, that's just fine. Cause we hear heap of rare loons and affa bonny quines. We speak the Doric, we weldy till we dee. We can fit, and we love a bozie. I dinna say who, what, why, where and when. I say farfit, why, far, how and fan you can. I will never ask you, how do you do? But I want to ken you like you are and I want to ken your news. We speak the Doric and we'll be till we dee. We can fit and we love a bozie. When I was just a wee loon at the Broch Academy, there was a homie teacher by the name of Misery. She tried sair to change my tongue and punished me each day. Detention for an higher ken, but the Doric did stay. Hey, we speak the Doric, we weldy till we dee. We can fit and we love a bozie. Look at John feel gype, he is affa glekkit. Goed for his blawin hoolie, getting his drars drookit. Hot in the manure, we see him soaking wheat. He'll be hanging, look at him on wheat feet nae while he beats. We speak the Doric, we weldy till we dee. We can fit and we love a bozie. I kent a contermacious man, he was a strushel brute. He skulked my order log and kicked a fit bat at my stroop. But as he swung his queet, he cowpit and it far. So I ran across and kicked his dog and then I ran awa. We speak the Doric, we weldy till we dee. We can fit and we love a bozie. Oh, the bonny sing-song Doric tongue, I'll change it for no one. And it will be thriving after I am dead and gone. Cause English is alright, I suppose, but it doesn't quite cut it. If I'm foonert, scullert, glekkit, or I'm clearing dubs and mucket. We speak the Doric, we weldy till we dee. We can fit and we love a bozie.